Hello, cartoon bus drivers. So, we have a cartoon bus by ChoroQ. This is used, it seems. Stickers, I don't know what it paid for it there, but here it says 12.90 yen, which is like $13. I didn't pay that much for this. I only paid a few bucks, because I don't think anyone collects these things. It does say here 2002, and then Google Translate, and also the graphic presently on the back says Hokuto. So this company has a website, and they're an airport bus. They run lines from the Chitose airport to various cities, and they seem to have been around a while because when I look up Hokuto bus, there's all sorts of generations of buses, modern ones and these old ones. I looked up at 2002. Long buses, short buses. So anyways, I think this is the short bus, which would be kind of like this image right here. So, but it's missing the stripes, so let's see, that stripe's better. Suffice to say, I don't know what exact bus this is, so I'm not going to compare it to photos. But let's take a look here. It's got your standard ChoroQ 5 spokes, chromed out, standard tires, look good. I like these prints, you know, they're all tampos. There's no stickers here, so they're really well done. You know, the three colors here, and there's some black and red down here. The front end, it's got a license plate, so I'm sure that there actually is a 510 bus. But it's got some printing here that looks pretty nice as well. And then it's got this like curved, very Apple-esque windshield, you know, very modern looking. Some very, very rudimentary seats here. Not even an indication of a steering wheel that I can tell. But yeah, the seats are just a headrest because it's hiding a spring motor back here. Right. So the headlights look pretty good. You know, it's silver and turn signals are orange and a little fog light action. Although the fog lights are on this perfectly smooth surface, same with the license plate. But here the headlights are actually molded. There's lines where this black is molded in. Interesting they wouldn't bother to like recess that. I guess it's easier to print on a smoother surface though. Alright, in the back, now this is a sticker, but it matches nicely with the rest of the body that's painted. Right, so again, printed on paint for all these taillights is nice to see. You can actually see the smokeness of the windows there. So HG I think means it's a high grade, and then, whoa, so this is from 1999. That's a pretty old one for sure. It's just in this molded cream colored plastic. Well, it's different from my other buses. Speaking of which, we should probably take a look at a few of them. Let's pull out this thing. Okay, so my last review, I had this bus. It's a new city route bus. It was ChoroQ number 46 in the standard line. Don't know what kind of bus it is though. Some of these Hokuto ones said Nissan buses, but I'm sure they've also tried other brands, so I don't know. Here's a tourist bus, the Kanagawa Loop bus, that is. And this is some Osaka bus, community buses, some of the Google search results in. I think it's a Renault, as a commenter has mentioned. So, I'm willing to collect one of each of these castings from ChoroQ. If you're interested in these deformed buses, these things are probably the cheapest of all the ChoroQs because no one seems to want to collect cartooned buses, which I can fully understand. But I've kind of collected most of the cars from ChoroQ that I wanted, so this is where I have to go next. And it's just kind of fun to see something that should be extremely long looks so short. You know, the short bus. Okay, anyways, let's get these guys out of here. Let this guy spin on its own. So for this one, it's nice to know that this actually is a real bus. You know, this Hokuto company has all sorts of buses running from the airport to various places. So I'm pretty sure there is a number 510. And maybe in the future, I'll swap out the wheels. I'll do a different video. This one has Hot Wheels Real Riders, for instance. Okay, but it's just kind of weird to have like mag wheels on a bus, so that's why I don't do it too often. Alright, well, thanks for checking this out. I'll see you at the next stop. Bye.